In this question, you're asked to find the shaded area of this diagram. It's bounded by a straight line, y equals 2x plus 2, and a curve, y equals 5 times the square root of x. You may pause the video now and try to solve it yourself. Let's get on with the solution. The diagram shows the curve with equation y equals 5 root x and the line with equation y equals 2x plus 2. Find the exact area of the shaded region, which is bounded by the line and the curve. The first thing to do is find the bounds of integration. We have two equations. The first one is 5 root x, and the line is 2x plus 2. They're both equal to y, so we can make both of the functions equal to each other. This is x to power half, so I want to convert x to be x power half. And I do that by writing x power half squared, which is equal to x. And we subtract 5 root x from both sides. And what we'll do now is let u equal x to power half. And you can see it becomes the quadratic equation in u. And what we can do then is factorize our equation. And we can solve for u. So u equals a half, or 2. Go back to our original substitution, u equals x power half. So we can write half equals x power half. Now square both sides. So x will be equal to a quarter. And when u equals 2, we can write 2 equals x power half. Square both sides, and x equals 4. You can see now we need to integrate between a quarter and 4. The upper bound is 4 and the lower bound is a quarter. What we'll do now is find the exact area of the shaded region. The first function, we'll let fx equal 5 root x. And for the linear function, we'll write gx equals 2x plus 2. To find the shaded area, we need to subtract these two functions. fx, 5 root x, is the upper function. So we write that first, subtracting the lower function because that's below the upper function. And we integrate between 4 and a quarter. We can rewrite that as 5 root x minus 2x minus 2. And now we'll integrate. And remember, this is a power function. So we add 1 to the power, so we have a half plus 1, and rewrite that power in the denominator. And this is negative 2x. So we add 1 to the power, so we get 2x squared, and then we divide that by 2. This is 2x power 0, so we add 1 to 0 to give 1. So we have 2x here. We'll evaluate this function between 4 and a quarter. Let's simplify a bit. We'll have 10 on 3 times x to power 3 on 2 minus x squared minus 2x. Now we'll evaluate the function, add 4. So substitute 4 into your function, then substitute in a quarter into the function, and we subtract them. The first value is 8 on 3 minus the second value, which is negative 7 on 48. And that becomes 45 on 16, which equals 2.8125. That is the final area of the shaded region. Thanks for watching.